Harry Douglas and Andy Malkin. Well done, fellas. You got off to a fantastic start and were never headed. It's just that gap just seemed to increase over the entire 40 laps. No mechanical issues, no problems with lap traffic. So well done, guys. Andy Malkin and Harry Douglas.
Big thanks to obviously Dad for setting up the car, my family, Mum, Pop, Nan for coming out, my brother as well, my mates up the back for coming to watch, and then Tom from Contact for setting up the car, Paul for the engine, the boys at PZP, and all the officials and volunteers that come out and always just help us out, do a good job out here, so thanks to all them as well.
Yeah, look, I'll just wrap it up. Thanks to all the officials. You guys are great. Without you, we wouldn't be racing, so I appreciate it. Especially yesterday was pretty shitty weather, so to come back and wake up this morning, thank you. To the whole WAXL family, you guys are great, so thank you for putting on a great show. Also, Paul, Joe, and last time I forgot my dad, so thank you, Dad. Without you, I probably wouldn't be here because he started it all off, so this one will be good. Thank you.
Well done to the boys. Let me go and have a break now. So yeah.